Hi friends, welcome to latest designs. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today I will show you latest sari designs. And one request from my side is, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos and click bell icon for notifications. Please watch the video till the end. Sari is the most famous Indian attire worn by women, not only in India but all over the world. It is because of its sensuality that it has grabbed attention since time immemorial. A sari makes a woman look elegant, gorgeous, and stylish. Usually 3.5 to 9 yards in length, sari can be worn in different ways that define its versatility and beauty. It is an outfit that can be worn on almost all occasions. The way it is draped in the west is different from the way it is worn in the east or the north. Available in different colors, designs and fabrics, saris are a must in the wardrobe of Indian women. All the traditional forms and styles are being universally adopted and new designs are being constantly invented to captivate the style-loving women all over the world. Saris have made deep inroads into the fashion today, with people exploring new fashion statements about this Indian garment. There are various exciting options for sari lovers now, thanks to craftsmanship and artistic fineness displayed by skilled professionals working ceaselessly to make sari better than ever before. Usually worn with a blouse covering the upper parts of the body, the sari has the petticoat for the lower part, which helps to tuck in the pleats of the sari to hold it in a place. Saris have come under the international influence in the present times due to its demand all across the globe. It is a perfect attire for those who want to add style and grace to their lifestyle. The history of Indian saris dates back to the ancient times, as its use has been mentioned in the sacred Indian epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana. The history of saris has been traced back to the ancient civilizations like the Indus Valley civilization. We know that sari is a gift of pure Hindu tradition. Sari is a traditional garment worn by women in India, and it is one of the oldest outfits for women in India. In ancient times, a sari had majority importance and symbolism attached in the form of different colors of designs. There was many patterns and color of saris represented beliefs, merits and the religion the person came from. These saris have several designs and symbols used on it. The colors used in saris also had some precise meaning behind them. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay with us. Keep watching for more videos. Thanks for watching.